Good morning. It's June 20th. I wanted to do a quick little video for the viewers, and there's a couple people that had asked about our crimp and how well it went. So, I mean, for the most part, it did fairly decent job. Kind of died off, made a nice mulch bed here. And, yeah, I mean, it did a fairly decent job. Still a little green in there, but I don't know if this video does it much justice, but there's also a lot of brown where it laid down and did what it was supposed to do. So I'm going to have to say the crimper was overall success. Yeah, buddy. Look at that food plot.